Alright, so today we're doing something a little bit different. So this is a car wash ticket, as you can see here. I'm at Mobil in Tokoroa and I've got a Washtec SoftCare Intro car wash here. So yeah, and we're going to go through it and yeah, we'll see how we go. Guys, we'll have to go. So yeah, I've never actually driven into a car wash before, as I normally wash my car by hand at home. But yeah, as this car has not had a decent wash for ages and I'm heading away, I've decided to come here on my trip away and give it a wash. So yeah. Here we are. Oh, I'm going to have to get out of the car and do this. Right. 308. Please wait. Program RUT1 ready. Right. Trying to stop the camera moving around. Just put the window up. Drive. In we go. Crikey, this machine's pretty dirty. Stop. Engine off. Hope I'm in nice and straight. Oh, yep, here we go. There's not really much in the way of soap here. I think this is more water. So I bought the top wash here, which is $18. Oh, yep, there we go. Now we're getting a foam up. I've got to be honest, my car does actually need this wash. It hasn't had a decent wash in ages. Although if the windscreen still looks a bit mucky after this, it's because there's quite a lot of dirt on the inside of this car. Like, just look how filthy my rear view mirror is. I don't actually vacuum the inside of this car as often as I should. So yeah, if it doesn't look, if the windscreen isn't looking 100% after this, it's probably because it's on the inside. What is the machine actually doing now? What is the machine actually doing now? Bit of a high pressure spray here. I wonder if this is just a rinse or if we're going to get a second foam up. Getting another foam up, or so the simple way to tell the difference here is the dryers. Because the Intro, it uses the same old dryer that they use on the CK30. Oh no, we are going to get a second foam up. Good. What is the machine actually doing right now? Oh, here we go. I wonder what's next. Right, we're on to drying. Oh, we're on to drying already. Like, we still got a decent brush pass, I reckon, because we got... It's actually not that loud. Might be able to see the fan spinning there, I'm not sure. I think this Carwash, I think it's basically the updated version of a CK30. As I know the Evo as the Evo, I'm pretty sure that uses the same drying system as a SoftCare Pro. Right, we're over. Better put my seatbelt on and get out of here. Yep. Just need to wait for this truck to get out of the way and then we'll go over there and we'll have a look at how good a job it did. park over here where I was before. The car is still a bit wet, but I suppose that's to be expected though. Just get out here and we'll have a look, eh? That's not actually too bad, to be honest. I mean, like, it didn't get all of the shit off the front here, but otherwise it's done an okay job, as the windscreen and windows look fantastic. So, yeah, doesn't actually look too bad, to be honest with you. I mean, like, obviously the windscreen doesn't obviously the windscreen, it doesn't look as good as it should, as it's got a bit of crap on the inside, but yeah, otherwise it's done an okay job. Alright, so that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.